white to play. How would you play if queen c6?
Oh. I think I'd take the bishop.
Take the bishop. Rook f takes on f2.
Rook comes to d1. Check.
A rook f1.
Rook takes.
King takes on f1.
Rook f1.
Rook d1.
Rook d1, sorry.
King f2.
Queen e1 doesn't look so good.
I agree.
I don't like this line. I'm not sure.
Okay, so when he played queen c6, the queen is protected by the rook on c2.
Yeah. Yep.
This is the main thing that you should use.
But I don't know how to distract the queen or the rook.
Yeah, how to distract this rook.
Yeah. Do it with a tempo, so preferably. So I think the way I'd do it is if I could get the king to f2, then it would be very, very easy. But getting the king to f2 is difficult.
Why? Why it's difficult? You have already explained the line.
What?
Knight f2, rook f2, rook d1,
Yeah.
rook f1, rook captures rook.
It forced the queen off into the I guess that's where I went wrong then. So I take on f2, rook takes, rook rook d1 check.
Then what?
I could capture.
You can capture and then?
And then sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry, rook d1 check.
Rook d1, king f2.
Yeah, rook d2. Fuck.
Rook d2. Yeah, exactly.
It took me too long. Oh my god.
And so if he goes back, then he gets a checkmate. So he has to take. Then he loses the queen. This is the idea. By the way, there is one more question. What would happen if queen b3? Try to find the best option.
Sorry. Oh, okay.
Now your task is to look for positional threats.
Maybe there's an idea if I play bishop, queen f3. I don't know.
What is the idea behind this?
I don't know. Because I mean, just bishop comes to b6, and I kind of look screwed.
So queen f3 doesn't work at all.
No.
Okay, can you notice weaknesses here in the enemy camp? Which squares you can occupy and with which pieces, and what can it give to you?
Yeah, I actually see a slight combination now, maybe. I'm thinking about rook d6 and then knight captures on f4.
That
It
makes
doesn't.
sense. But bishop g3.
Yeah, bishop g3 and now it doesn't. No, I don't know.
So you should try to move the knight to a better position.
Hmm.
Or where would you dream to move this knight?
To f3 looks nice.
F3, right. How to get your knight to f3?
Knight d1.
N-
Knight e1, knight e1.
Knight e1 doesn't work.
Yeah. You could also play knight e5, but
Knight
then it
e5
dies.
doesn't work immediately. So
Yeah.
if the knight
So
dies.
maybe g5, g5.
G5 exactly, f4 is hanging. If he captures, then you move the knight immediately.
Mm-hmm.
Now you're threatening to give a checkmate.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe not h4 but e1. And at
Ah,
least you can
both.
capture the rook.
Oh, wait, why don't work? Why don't both of them work?
For example, if knight h4, king goes to
Oh,
h3.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry.
But in this position, after king h3,
Yes.
uh, what can you do?
Ooh, we could check him first on, we could check him on, g2 and pick up either the e rook or the c rook.
Yeah, makes sense. Or we can play something like rook d5, threatening to play rook.
Yeah, that too.
If g4, then rook d3.